Someone said amazing things that nothing is impossible, everything is a possible, but we are making it impossible because we are thinking that we cannot do anything else. Guys, I want to say to you that if everything is possible and if nothing is impossible, then why is it that you are here? It's up to you. You can change your life, you can change your atmosphere, you can change whatever you want to change. You need to understand that everything is possible as compared to other self, as compared to yourself, because whatever you want to do, whatever you want to change, you can change. But you will have to think that everything is possible. I can do it. Today is my day. Today is my day. Now, wherever you go, you want to talk to people, you will have to understand that what's my level, what's my purpose to do something different in my life. If everybody can do it, why I cannot do it? I can also do it. I have, I have the power of words. I have courage of doing something different in my life. Everybody is expecting to me that so he is a power of words. He's a courageous person. He every time keeps on thinking that yes, I can do it. Today is my day. Today is my last day. I can do it. I'm the winner of today's competition. Guys, there is a lot of things to say here, because in this illusion of the world we need to understand what's our target, what's our destination, what's our career, what's our future, what's our knowledge, what's our talent, what's our consistency, what's our dedication, what's our continuity, and what's our purpose. If we learn these are words, if we remember these are words, I assume that definitely in coming of time, whatever you want to become, you can change your life, because whatever potential you have, nobody has, because they know very well that there is a something here, but they think if you are thinking that everything is a possible, so you can do it. If you thought about yourself and nothing is impossible, everything is a possible, that you can also do it, but you are thinking that nothing is impossible, that everything is impossible, so you will not be able to do something different in your life. You will have to think about yourself, what's your purpose in your life, then you can do something different for your family members, for your career. You will have to understand, you will have to save your bright future in coming time. What will you become, what will you do for your family members? Guys, you need to understand, you will have to do something different for your life, something different so that people attracted by you, they inspired by you, they learn to you, they come to meet you, that yes, is a guy, he has a lot of knowledge, he learned so many things, he get a tremendous atmosphere here, and he learned so many gigantic words, and he has a lots of English way that he learned here. He was a poor, then he started learning English, then he learned English, he from a very nuclear family, and that there was a financial condition in his home, but he did his hard work, like APJ Abdul Kalam, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Swami Vivekanand, lot of freedom fighters, motivational speakers, they learned so many things. So why we can't do it? We can also do it. Nick Vizuki, he had no leg, no arm, anything else, but he did his work because he knows very well that we have Gina's mind, looks like a gene. We can change whatever we want to change in our life, because we have potential, we have power, we have two hands, two legs, we have eyes, we have bodies, we have those, we have to do something different, but why we are not able to do it? Why are we wasting time? Why are we longing for money? Why are we wasting our time in watching reels, Insta, Facebook, or anything else? Why are you wasting time? Think about your parents, that how did they work hard for you, and they have been working hard for many years, for thousands of years for you, and you are not able to understand their condition, whatever. What the hell are you doing here? And think about yourself, how will be your future, how would be your future in coming of time, how will you earn? So would you go to marriage, what will you do? You will not be able to feed your wife. How will you do something different in your life? You would longing for money in coming of time. You need to understand what's your aura, what's your purpose in your life. Guys, think, what a guy you, that you are not be able to understand what's your purpose. Someone said amazing thing that do something different that world wants to do like you, and you are not be able to understand what's your reason, what's your purpose in your life. What the hell are you doing here? You have no courage of doing. You are a eunuch. Eunuch you are. If you are a eunuch, you will not be able to succeed in your life. Do something different the world wants you to do. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Ashna.